5540 night swim. So we have this little build out in the garage. Oh, there's a puppy. Oh, it's a bull terrier. Oh, sorry. Okay. He looked like he was locked up.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to go there, I'll open the gate.
Oh, that's okay. Thank you.
Okay, we have all that area too.
Okay, cool. Hi, kitty. I'm gonna be right behind you.
That's sushi.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
That's all pink, white, and yellow in the spring. They're all roses.
Oh, okay. These are all roses here.
This is a
Pink,
big
white, and
arch,
yellow.
but they cut it on me. I was a little
Oh.
This makes big pink roses.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's really pretty in spring here with all the flowers.
Oh, there's little fishes.
Yeah, the koi's are staying in the pond.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, a lot of people want the koi's. I
Yeah.
already got 2 offers.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you got 2 offers on the property right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Good to know. Thank you.
Just to let you know.
Okay. Shoes on or off?
No, leave them on. That's fine.
Okay, so we have 2.5 inch faux wood blinds on these 3, and we have accent walls that are slightly darker, tan, mocha-ish color.
Had that one built on a sure thing too.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah, those can be really hard to find. You have to do custom. So yeah, that's nice.
When we moved in, we had all done.
Nice. Okay.
Only room is this one. Be careful. It's just a little heating.
Okay. Okay.
Everything else is fine.
Okay.
Just ask for it.
Thank you. This is a grayish wall. What is this?
Oh, this was the living room. We converted it. This is what they used to put the TV in. We made it.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. Got it. Okay.
Mess.
Thank you.
Okay. Don't mind my mess.
No, not at all.
The refrigerator does not go.
Okay.
Everything else does.
Okay. The counters are really beautiful.
This is all granite, real granite. I had it all put along the sides, the window here, so it's easier to clean. And the moldings.
Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever seen it down
The
there.
guy was trying to walk out on half of my grass. I go, you're not keep cutting. So I had to put it all there. Keep
That's
cutting.
amazing.
It was expensive.
The dog is nice?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come out. They're all locked up.
Oh,
That's
okay.
a dog run I have there.
Okay. Oh, wow. I didn't even see you guys.
That's my dog run.
Hi. With the bull terriers over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
He's fine. No,
Okay.
he does not get along with them.
Oh, okay. Okay.
He's the one that doesn't get along. This is the back. We put all stones down, but they're gonna probably have to level them out once you get in here a little.
Okay.
But this is my hangout, my sanctuary. In the summer, it's really cool here. You got this tree.
Yeah.
We cut this tree totally down.
Oh, wow.
It was like growing like a monster. And this is a vine.
Okay.
It's a Japanese
oh, wow.
wisteria. And it was all the way to this wall.
Oh, my God.
And it was actually makes those pretty, great looking flowers.
Yeah.
This is where Max is.
Aww.
Look through. There he is.
Oh, he's scared. Oh, poor little guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Poor little guy. He's mean
Oh, is he?
to dad.
Oh.
But this is all grapes in the summer.
Okay,
You
these
get
are
a
all
lot
grapes.
of grapes. I sprayed it not to have grapes because
Okay.
sometimes they get messy.
Okay.
But it becomes all green flowers and, we cut a lot of it off.
Okay.
But this is a big dog run all the way down. Do you want to go in here and look? You're going to get licked to death.
Okay, okay.
Get in. Go in your house. Go in your house. Go.
Oh, wow. They're so well behaved. Hi, you small one. Hi. Hi, little guys. Oh, my goodness.
And this is all the way a dog run. I put them in here when we have company and stuff so they don't get on everyone. Come on, get in your house. Stop bothering everybody.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank
Got
you.
it?
I kind of just
Go.
wanted to pet the
Go in your
dogs.
house. Go. Fiona, get in your house. Go, Fiona. She's
so well
attention seeker.
behaved.
She's attention seeker.
What is that one?
That's an Akita.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, she's an Akita.
I didn't realize.
The little ones are palms. Get in there.
Oh, wow. They don't have the palm attitude.
No, because I got a stick. My stick every time they scream.
Oh. Well, it works. Well, it seems to work.
It works.
So we have the 2.5-inch blinds on these walls as well. Red carpet, tile in the bathroom, tile counters. Okay, and then a really cool light fixture. Okay.
Bathroom, we really didn't do much with it, but the tiles are all intact. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
We didn't do much. We just did a good paint.
Okay.
But the room is a nice size. The closets. Yeah.
Okay.
And look at how big my furniture is. That's
Yeah.
a king size bed. The other beds in the room there are clean.
Okay. And there's a cat in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
The little one.
Okay.
The one that's closed.
Okay.
And then we took the tub out and made this a stand-up shower.
Okay.
Nobody was using the tub anyway. And these are marble.
Wow.
These are marble.
And this is a linen closet?
Yeah, it's a
okay.
towel closet.
Okay.
And then this is the room. Where'd he go? My son just moved in this week.
Oh, it's so tiny.
Yeah, that's his kitty.
Oh
there he
my
is.
gosh.
You can come in.
Okay.
My son just moved in, so don't mind the mess.
Oh no, it's perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Stay there.
This is the smallest cat I've ever seen.
I know it's a little baby.
Okay, cool.
Okay. And then washer and dryer. We have another closet here.
Okay.
My husband put shelves here. Actually, this had doors, and I took them down.
Okay.
They were just getting in my way.
Okay.
I have my new home. If you notice all my animals, I'm building a greenhouse with a bird aviary. And they're going to go into the greenhouse, so that's what's going on. This room was here when we bought the house.
Okay.
It actually was carpet, and it was a closet. It has running water, and it has a toilet.
Wow.
It has a toilet. And I used to do hair in here before,
Mm.
and that's my sink. But my husband and my son does not keep nothing clean around here. They use this as his office.
Okay.
We had this door put in,
Okay.
so we have our privacy. So
Okay.
people come in through here and not the house.
Okay.
So this is here. When I was doing hair, and now he took it over.
Okay.
But if you do a little painting and cleaning, you can still use it as a bedroom. Actually, we were going to take that sink out and put a stand-up shower there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you can convert it.